it's Sam. So FabFitFun has their summer edit sale currently going on. So I'm gonna be sharing you guys what you can expect in this sale. There is so many good things. I've already had a peek and there are things that I would definitely pick up. So I have partnered up with FabFitFun today to share what's in their summer edit sale. If you're not familiar with the that's a mouthful, summer edit sale. It's basically like a flash sale that they offer for members only. And basically they're just awesome products at really discounted prices and they ship directly to your door. I do have a discount code. It is FFFEDIT in all capital letters. That's gonna save you $10 off if you are gonna get a FabFitFun box. This is just a really great way to get some extra products at a discounted price. It's a bit of everything. There's some fashion, there's some beauty, so let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing is this massive sun hat, and this, I'm trying to see what's the back. I think that's the back. I mean, this is a big hat, you guys. Look at this thing. You are not gonna get sunburnt in this. This is gonna cover your whole entire everything. I think it needs to come like this a little bit. Yeah, that's better. I feel like J-Lo right now. Next is this really cute little kimono or like beach cover up. I love the color because it's like that gorgeous rust. This is by Style Stalker. It's a one size fits most type thing, but look at this color. Isn't that beautiful? It's kind of like a blush, but then kind of like a rusty kind of, you know, brick tone. And it's just got these really pretty flowery details. So that's the next item. Then they have this is a beauty item. This is the Skin-esque Brightening Plus Brighten, Balance, and Hydrate Mask. Okay, so there's a gentle foaming cleanser in here, a Hydra Essence, and then an actual charcoal mask. So there's 3 different products in here. Oh, and they're all like little, oh, there's a ton. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different applications. And each one comes in like a little sachet. The Gentle Foaming Cleanser has got papaya and apple extracts. It says this gentle cream-based cleanser deeply cleanses and removes impurities for clear, smooth, and bright skin. The Hydra Essence provides hydration, retains moisture, and reduces the appearance of fine lines. And then the Charcoal Mask is supposed to help reduce dark spots and dark circles. Sebum production is normalized, and it helps to hydrate as well. This one I was super excited about because I am always needing longer cords. This is the Tech Candy Triple Header Maxi Premium 6 foot long. 6 foot long, that's long. Woven USB cable. And it's really cute too. It's kind of like a pinky purple combo. So that's very exciting. And it also comes with like 3 different, it's not just for iPhones, it's for, you know, what is this called? Androids. I just realized I have like no lipstick left. Next is the Living Royal socks. These are so cute. Look, they have pineapples on them. I actually have had Living Royal socks in the past and they're really, really cute and very soft. And they always have really fun designs, but these pineapple ones are so cute. And that's what I love about FabFitFun, is that it's a lifestyle box. You're not always just gonna get beauty. Sometimes you get fashion, sometimes you get skincare, sometimes you get more kind of like lifestyle products or like workout or a snack. Like it has a lot of different things that I love. Like in my summer box, I got some really cute little bowls from, was it West Elm? I forgot what it was. They were like really nice little bowls. So it's just always a good mixture. Next we have the Tula Probiotic Skincare. This is the Kefir Moisture Repair Pressed Serum for exceptional hydration for dry and stressed out skin. Now my skin is not dry, so I'll probably save this for someone else. But look how cute the packaging is. It's like a really pretty purple color. Next is the Color Safe Leave-In Condition from Ava Hair Care. So this is just a leave-in conditioner and it's got panthenol and argan oil, leaves hair tangle-free, moisturized, manageable, and full of shine, all without weighing hair down. Let's smell it. That's the true test. Oh, it smells really good. Actually, you know what it smells like? Oh, it smells like the Freeze and Shine from Paul Mitchell. It kind of has that like watermelon scent. It's kind of delightful. I love that scent. So that was like one of my favorite products. I never actually liked the product. It's great if you like really need a slicked up hairdo. But the smell of it is amazing. Okay, next we have the Power Shower Post-Workout Cleansing Spray from Sweat Wealth. Now this is interesting. It says that it is okay, so it says spray generously all over your body and wipe down with a towel. Now go be your awesome self. So it's like a shower that you don't actually need water. So this would be great for camping, if you're traveling and you're going to be like, you know, you have no time in between going to whatever you're going to, but you're feeling grossy jose. You could try this out. It would also be great for like beach days or pool days or festivals. So that's really cool. I kind of want to smell it. Oh gosh. Oh, it smells nice. Smells really fresh. It just has a really fine mist, and then you just kind of like, woo. Yeah, it smells really fresh. It feels a bit soapy. Well, hold on a minute. No, the soapy feeling is, no, it's got a bit of a texture. There's definitely a bit of a texture. You would definitely want a towel to kind of like wipe yourself off. It is feeling a bit soapy, so just definitely use a towel to wipe off. I mean, they say that that's what you need to do. You should be a good listener. Red Carpet Color Body Glow Sun-Kissed. Anything that says sun-kissed is my friend. Bright red packaging, very metallic and delightful looking. Let's see, it says shake well, pump into hands and mix together, smooth evenly over your legs, arms, shoulders, anywhere you want to glow in a circular motion. Wipe with a damp towel. Wait a minute. Pre-dampen towel and remove excess water to avoid washing product off back of hands. Wait 5 minutes before getting dressed to allow product to dry. Wait, is it saying to wipe your hands or is it saying to wipe the product? You wouldn't want to wipe the product, would you? It says it instantly illuminates coverage, or sorry, instantly illuminating coverage for imperfections such as hyperpigmentation, veins, cellulite, stretch marks, age spots, and wrinkles. We all know I hate cellulite. And see like how dark it is. Woo! It does come out kind of like bronze goddessy. Oh, it's so silky smooth. It's not thick. A lot of the time I find that these shimmer lotions, they do have like a really thick texture and it's hard to rub in. This feels like just a super slippery, nice kind of milky lotion. And it's added just a little bit of color and definitely a shimmery kind of glow to my skin. I just put it on my hand. So this one doesn't have it and this one does. Can you guys see the difference? See how it's just like, oh, you look sexy. You're tired. There's the difference. Smells good too. Okay, it doesn't really come off, so that's good to know. Like, I'm trying to wipe it all off and it's like really stuck on my hands. So that's good because you don't want transfer once you're just, you know, getting dressed, but it does say that you need to wait 5 minutes before you get dressed, but then I feel like it is gonna stay on all day. So that's really cool. I love that kind of stuff, especially in the summer if you're gonna be wearing shorts or like have your shoulders out, just add a little bit of a glow. Then we have the Milk Makeup, and I'm a fan of Milk Makeup because their concealer is my holy grail. I love it. Oh my God. Oh, there's tape on both sides. Ta-da! It's like opening a Christmas cracker. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's like nudie and white. And this says too, it's a matte makeup setting spray. Instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and provides a soft focus blur effect on all skin tones. Invisible mist sets makeup all day, infused with lychee and organic goji, leaving skin soft and hydrated. OMG, get rid of my pores, please. I've actually, it's late in the afternoon right now, and I've been running around, so I had a dentist appointment, had errands to run, so let's just take a peek, because I am a little oily right now. I always like to do the spray first, just in case you get a splotch, you know. Oh. Oh my God, it smells good. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Murad Acne line. Really refreshing, kind of like minty. It's like mentholy, but in a sweet way. It's not overwhelming where you feel like you're spraying toothpaste. Okay. It's a good mist too. It doesn't feel splotchy. Let's see if it made my pores smaller. I mean, it probably wasn't a good test, was it? Because I didn't look at them before. That's tough to try or to like just to see just then, but I should have looked at myself first and I didn't. bad Dobby. But I do love the smell. I like the mist. It comes out really nice. And if it does blur your pores, I'm just gonna have to try it out and then let you guys know at a later date in another video. Anything that blurs my pores and makes me look smoother is fine by me. And then the next is the R2M Ready to Makeup Silk Refine Dual Toner Pad. Conveniently smooth out skin texture for gleaming skin tone. Dual-sided soft cotton toner pad. Oh wow, this is big. Is a multifunctional instant skincare pad for face and body. Wipe off any leftover grime or soap particles using the embossed texture side, then smooth out skin tone using ultra soft cotton side. Tightly pressed microfiber, does not shed any lint, providing a skin soothing sensation without having to worry about detaching fiber. You can use it on your knees, heels, or elbows to provide instant moisture and care. It's got anise fruit extract, which is skin conditioning, hydrolyzed collagen, which is skin suppleness, and bifida ferment filtrate, which is skin repair. Let's just pop this baby open. So the pads are a good size. So that's what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and use the textured side. Ooh, they feel really soothing when you use it. And it seems to be removing everything really, really well. It's very watery, like very wet, but it doesn't sting or burn. It's feeling like really silky smooth and just like refreshing, but very like gentle. And it's just like super wet. Like there's a lot of liquid on this product, so I feel like you would only need one to do your whole face and probably neck and even décolleté. Like I still feel like I still have so much liquid on here. I don't know what the scent is, but it's really super like subtle and just kind of like refreshing. Really nice. Okay, so my skin feels really nice right now. Like it feels really soft. It took off all of that body makeup or body shimmer. So that's nice. I'm excited to try those out on my face. Okay, and the last item that's available. Oh, I'm sorry, there's 3 more. Oh, there's so many. Okay, so let's do the little small ones first. So the first is jewelry. It's this real, oh, I love this. It's like a little, what are those called? Like a starburst? No, that's not right. Oh, you guys know. You guys are good at that kind of stuff. I don't know. I don't have good words. It's like I've just talked so much in my life now they don't come out properly. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So it is gold. It does have an adjustable adjustable chain. So you can make it long or you can make it short. Oh my god, look how cute that is. I'd probably wear it shorter, but actually it's kind of cute layered like this too. It's really pretty. It catches the light nicely, especially when you're tan. Yeah, I love that. I love gold necklaces too. But I love these like where they have the really delicate little chain and then just like a little something. I mean, obviously I'm wearing them right now. So love that. That's really pretty. And it's kind of got like almost like a little moonstone in the middle, if you know what I mean. And then we have the BFF Brow Friends Forever Grow and Groom Brow Gel. So this is like a little clear serum-y treatment. It comes with a little brush and it says, enrich your nourishing vitamin E and conditioning castor oil. Your brow gel is your new true BFF when it comes to volumizing, defining, and taming your brows without looking stiff. Use alone or over your favorite powder. It sets the hairs into whatever shape you want. Apply the gel in short upward strokes following the direction of hair growth. It is vegan, cruelty-free, no parabens, no mineral oil, and formulated with castor oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera. And it's cute little packaging too. Not sure what this is, but it's light pink. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's from the Glass Ladder & Co. Has a little gold button right there. Oh my god, this is cute. Feels like a very fancy. The Marilyn Organizer Clutch. It's originally $99.99 and it's in the color Blush Pink. So it has all of, like, you have spots for all of your business cards. Do I have it upside down? I don't know if I have it upside down or not. No, maybe I don't. Or maybe I do. I don't know, I think it goes both ways. So you can put your cards in here and your pens and then something, and then there's like a little pocket here. And then in this section, you've got a big pocket and little pockets here, and then a big thing for your pen, and it feels like very kind of velvety microfiber or micro suede in the inside. That's really beautiful. You know what this would be actually really great for when you're traveling? For like your passports and all your documents and like your tickets or anything like that. I love that. It looks beautiful. It's very fancy, isn't it? Just good if you are someone who needs to like keep your any documents or just important things organized. Very nice. Or maybe you have meetings, very posh meetings. I don't have posh meetings in real life, only on the phone. So that's everything, I think. Yes, it is everything. So there's everything from the summer edit sale. Like I said, I do have a coupon code. It's $10 off. It is FFFEdit. That's going to save you $10 off of your box from FabFitFun. I don't know if it's going to give you $10 off of any of these purchases. Maybe it will. I don't know. They didn't specify that. I'm not really sure, but you can give it a go and see if it works. Either way, these are all discounted, so it's a great deal no matter what you, whether I'm pretty sure the coupon is only for the box, but I just maybe just try it just in case. I mean, hey, it doesn't hurt to try. I think if I could choose anything, I really love this duster. I think that's beautiful. And then the cord, I mean, who doesn't love a phone cord? We all need them. This setting spray, I'm super excited to keep trying out. What else am I excited for? Probably, well, this is really beautiful. I like this a lot. But I think I'll probably get a lot of use out of this little body shimmer just because I love to glow, I love to look tanner, and sometimes you don't have time for a self-tanner. So that's really good if you're just like in a pinch and you're like, oh poo, I'm going out and I need to look cute and glowy and fabulous, but you don't have time to self-tan, then that's when you pull that baby out. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy and found that helpful. Huge thank you again to FabFitFun for partnering up with me to share these lovely goodies with you guys. And if you haven't already signed up for FabFitFun, why haven't you? It's amazing. It's the best lifestyle box out there. It's just such a good subscription. They give you I mean, they have so many things. It's over $200 worth of products, but you only pay $49.99, or if you use that coupon code, $39.99 for the season, and it's always seasonal based. So for summer, it's summery things. For fall, it's fall things. But they give you just a really good range of items. So I love it. If you guys haven't tried it, then you definitely need to. I know that there's so many people that love it and have commented saying, oh my god, I got this box and it's great. So I'm glad that you guys like it too, but it really is such a good box. And the boxes are also really cute. I keep the boxes because they're great for storage to just pop in your closet because they're always really pretty. And I'm like such a weirdo like that. So I think they're great. But you guys definitely check it out for yourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!